we passed one parameter from the address bar, so now it's only natural that we pass some more, right? So here's how we did it last time. We just did this forward slash with the curly braces and the value that we want to pass, right? Now we're gonna pass more than one. So let's go ahead and create our route. And this time our route is gonna be called car, and we're gonna pass a year, we're gonna pass a make, and we're gonna pass a model. So year, make, model. So all just separated by forward slashes. And then we're gonna be calling our function. Inside our function, we're gonna specify the parameters, year, make, model, and we're gonna return a view. And that view is gonna be called car. We're gonna have to pass those URL arguments to the view. So we'll say year is equal to year, make is equal to make, and model is equal to model. All right, now that we have our route, let's go and create a new view, and we'll call that car.blade.php, since that's what we specified right here. All right, HTML5 snippet, we're going to call car, and we're going to say div tag right here. Let's do a main div and then divs inside there. Alright, so we'll say, actually let's do an H1. Alright, now that we have an H1, we're still in PHP mode. So we'll say echo year dot, put a space, make, put a space, model, save it, go back. We're gonna go to car / 1994 Toyota Supra, and it's specified. Now just remember, you have to specify these number of arguments, because if you don't, it will know the route. So you're gonna have to specify the car followed by 3 variables. And that's pretty much it. That's how you pass multiple arguments to a view from a URL. So it's really simple. You just specify where you want to go. So for example, car / year / make / model. And then you're going to specify this year, make, model. And you're going to return the view, which in this case is going to be car. And you're going to pass all the arguments from the URL to the car. Pretty simple. Very simple concept to continue on from there. We're going to look at one more cool SEO kind of type thing for creating this route with multiple URL parameters in our next video.